Hi everyone, welcome back to Science Academy. So this is another very important video of the CPT series 2022. So we will discuss the question number 50 and this is very important question. Okay, तो कौन पिला माने क्वेश्चन देछि the coefficient of restitution ऊपर क्वेश्चन आछि. Okay, तो भला मन रही था. So क्वेश्चन देछि a ball is moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second. This impinges a fixed plane at an angle of 45 degree. Okay, and its direction after impact is equally inclined to the line of the impact. So if the coefficient of restitution is given 0.5, then what is the velocity of the ball after impact? तो पिला माने आ पूर्व आमको भलार बुझिया पर व्हाट इज दिस कोफिशिएंट ऑफ रेस्टिट्यूशन एंड कोफिशिएंट ऑफ रेस्टिट्यूशन आम कौटी एक्चुअली कैलकुलेट करछे. ओके, तो पिला माने देखो मो आपे टिके स्पेस एठी नै जाउछे. ओके, दिस विल बी एनफ. तो पे फास्ट मन रही था कोलाइजन आम फास्ट कोलाइजन उपर किसी आम डिस्कस करिया देन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ रेस्टिट्यूशन को जीवा. सपोज देर आर टू masses or two balls. Okay, this is ball number 1 and this is the mass or the ball number 2. Suppose the initial velocity before collision of this ball, okay, suppose this is the ball of mass m1 and this is of mass m2. What is the velocity? Suppose this is u1 and this is u2. Okay, these are the velocities or initial velocities before collision. Okay, when they collide, okay, what happens when they collide? Okay, or suddenly they approach to each other. So after collision there are two kind of collision. One is called elastic collision, another one is called inelastic collision. Okay, if the collision is elastic, okay, if the collision is elastic, what happens? Actually in elastic collision their momentum is conserved. That means after collision एठी पिला देखो एठी दुईटा बॉल ले कौन करिए एठी they will collide, sorry, they will collide, and after collision they will move with their final respective velocities. Suppose this is the velocity, this is v1 of the ball m1 and this is the velocity of v2 of the ball m2. Okay, that means the mass m1 and this is the mass m2. That means here the initial and final velocities are different from each other. This is the case of elastic collision. What if it is inelastic? If it is inelastic, they will stick to each other. Okay, they will stick to each other and they will move with a final velocity that is v. That means here the v1, sorry, the v1 is equals to v2, and this is equals to v. That means difference of their velocity is equals to 0. And what is the mass, total mass? The total mass would be m1 plus m2. Okay, so this is what we know about the elastic and inelastic collision cases. Okay, the coefficient of restitution. तो पहले मैं देखो what is the coefficient of restitution, what is the formula? So the value of E, that is coefficient of restitution, this is equals to velocity of, मन रही था पहले, this is equals to velocity of separation. Okay, velocity of separation divided by velocity of approach, velocity of approach. So velocity of separation divided by velocity of approach. That means what is the velocity of a separation? If this is u1, okay, if this is u1 and this is u2 and this is v1 and this is v2. So velocity of separation पिला माने कौन फास्ट बुझ. Velocity of separation means after collision. Okay, after collision तो पिला माने एठी कौन होबे माने ऑटोमेटिकली जेतु एंगुलर मोमेंटम और सॉरी लिनियर मोमेंटम सेमानकर कंजर्व हुए, they will travel with their respective final velocities. That means here the particles will separate from each other after collision. So this is called the velocity of separation. What is the velocity of separation? This is equals to v2 minus v1 divided by what is the velocity of approach? Velocity of approach, that means the u1 if approaches u2 or both of them approaches to each other, that means this is equals to what? u1 minus u2. Okay, why the negative sign? Actually because they are in opposite direction, that's why. Okay, that here u1 is opposite to u2, also here v1 is opposite to v2. So here u1 and u2 approach each other. After collision they will the two balls separate to each other. Okay, so this is the formula, that is v2 minus v1 divided by u1 minus u2. Okay, consider the case for elastic collision. Okay, the case for elastic collision, what happens here? अच्छा, तो देखो पे जो इलास्टिक कोलिजन हुए, वी नो दैट दे हैव सम फाइनल वेलोसिटी एज वेल एज दे हैव सम इनिशियल वेलोसिटी. अच्छा, तो मन रही था पे u1 minus u2, okay, that is velocity of approach is always equals to v1 minus v2 minus v1, that is equals to the velocity of separation. That means here what is the value of e? What is the value of e? The e equals to 1, because v2 by v2 minus v1 by u1 minus u2, this is always equals to 1. Okay, this is the condition for elastic collision. Now come to the case for inelastic collision. For inelastic cases, okay, the second part, that is inelastic. What happens for inelastic collision? The v2 equals to v1, this is the final velocity v. That means ମୁଁ already लिखी v2 minus v1 already केते 0 हो. If v2 minus v1 equals to 0, that means e equals to how much? 0. So for inelastic collision, e equals to 0. For elastic collision, e equals to 1. That means if the coefficient of restitution lies between 0 to 1, that means this is for the practical collision. Okay, that means for practical collisions the coefficient of restitution is lies between 0 to 1. तो here एठी हम केस से केते देछि पिला माने 0.5. अच्छा, नाउ गोटे कंसीडर गोटे केस को हमें कंसीडर करबा. देखो सपोज एठी कोन होइछि ना, अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर क्वेश्चन this is a wall. Okay, a ball coming from any space, it simply collides with the wall, making at an angle 45 degree, either with horizontal or it is the normal. With normal they make 45 degree, and the velocity is given, that is u. Clear? Okay, then it just bounces back from that medium which it is coming, again making that same angle, that is 45 degree. Okay, तो क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली आमको एमती पचार ता पूर्व पिला मन रही था. सपोज एमती गोटे केस थी, दिस इज द एंगल, सॉरी दिस इज द वॉल. ओके, दिस इज द वॉल. If any object or if any mass, it comes with a speed that is u, it bounces back and goes upward with a final velocity v. That means here what is the value of e? E equals to v2 minus v1. ना नहीं पिला आम फॉर्मूला पढ़ते v2 minus v1. अच्छा, एटी पिला देखो v2 मीन्स कौन? The ball after collision, what is the velocity? Okay, as this is the object or this is the wall at rest, so for this wall u2 मन रही था पिला ने equals to 0, as well as v2 भी कौन आसियो 0 आसियो, because this is the wall means this is fixed. तो पिला माने मु फाइनल मु एठी कौन लिखि पारी? तो एठी मु लिखि पारी, just a minute, I can write the coefficient of restitution E is okay, so E equals to, so v2 minus v1, here v2 equals to 0 and v1 equals to how much पिला माने? So v1 equals to v ना, that means एठी मु लिखली minus v divided by u2 minus u1 ना नहीं सॉरी u1 minus u2. एक्चुअली एठी तळे लिखिबा केते ना u1 minus u2, बट एठी चेक करो मु ऑलरेडी डिस्कस करथली u2 तो केते 0 because this is in wall. Next row u1. Here u1 is negative. Why negative? Because u1 is opposite, because it falls down ना, तो downward, that's why मु velocity रोच कोना negative. तो एठी मु कोन लिखली minus u. So minus minus cancel, that means e equals to how much? v by u. Therefore the final velocity formula केते आछे पिला माने? v equals to e, that is coefficient of restitution multiply u, that is the initial velocity. अच्छा, आमर अभी केस कंसीडर करिया पिला माने. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर केस एठी कोन देछि u इक्वल्स टू एठी केते आसियो द फाइनल वेलोसिटी. सपोज दिस इज u1 equals to how much? u cos 45 होना because it makes some angle 45 degree. Again, what is V? V also, V, suppose this is V prime, this is U prime, so V prime equals to V cos 45 degree. Clear? So here what is the final velocity? So final velocity V equals to what? E into U. Clear? That means the coefficient of relativization U into what is U? Sorry, the initial velocity, that is U cos 45. That means U multiply what is the value of cos 45? 1 upon root 2. Just put the values here. That is equals to 0.5 multiply what is U I think 5 ପିଲାମାନେ ମୁଁ ଚେକ୍ କରିଦେବି 5 into root 2 1 upon root 2. Okay, 1 upon root 2. Just ପିଲାମାନେ ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଚେକ୍ କରିଦେଉଛି what is the value given here. Yes, right ଥିଲା ପିଲାମାନେ. Again I am writing this. So the coefficient of restitution E equals to the here I am finding the final velocity na. So the final velocity V equals to the coefficient of restitution E into initial velocity, that is 5 cos 45 degree. So E equals to 0.5 into 0.5 multiply 5 divided by root 2. So you just solve the question and कौन आंसर पिला माने कौन हम. So this equals to 25 divided by 10 root 2 equals to 2.5 divided by root 2. अच्छा पिला ने ऑलरेडी हमें जानते 2.5 into 1 upon root 2, this equals to 0.707. तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली पिला माने मोर एठी आंसर आछे 1.7 समथिंग आंसर आछे एक्चुअली. तो एठी तो 1.7 नहीं 1.5 जदि मैचिंग करिया रिलेटेड 1.5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. आई थिंक दिस विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. जदि किसी रॉन्ग थे पिला प्लीज कमेंट डाउन द बिलो बॉक्स. So in the next question, in the next video we'll discuss some other questions from question number 51. Okay, thank you.